Welcome to this technical guide on the Egea Moreno Conga Eternal Maximum. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Egea Moreno Conga Eternal Max only works when plugged in, it's likely that the battery has deteriorated or failed completely. This can happen over time due to regular usage and charging cycles. If you don't address this issue promptly, it may lead to further complications, such as damage to internal components or complete failure of your device. To begin, you will need a small screwdriver set, a plastic prying tool, a replacement battery, and some tweezers. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Using the plastic prying tool, carefully work around the edges of the device to open it without causing any damage to the casing. Take your time with this step, as rushing can lead to scratches or cracks. Once opened, locate the battery. It is usually positioned near the bottom of the device and may be secured with screws or adhesive. Gently disconnect any cables attached to the battery using your tweezers, being cautious not to tug on surrounding wires. You will likely encounter small screws holding the battery in place. Use the appropriate screwdriver to remove these screws, applying only a moderate amount of force to avoid stripping them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the screws, carefully lift out the old battery. When inserting the new battery, ensure it aligns properly with the connectors and gently press it into place. Reattach any cables you disconnected earlier, making sure they are securely connected. Once everything is back in place, close the device carefully, ensuring that no cables are pinched in the casing. Power on your Egea Moreno Conga Eternal Max to check if it operates correctly without being plugged in. If it does, congratulations, you have successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, make sure to avoid overcharging your device and try to keep the battery level between 20 and 80% whenever possible. Ideally, avoid letting the battery drain completely. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.